అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. మీరు అందరికీ తెలుసు primary evidences we have the confession of the accused. Thank you. This press meet is about one very horrendous type of crime which has occurred in Gidalur PS limits. So what happened is that on 22nd we received information that one 12-year-old boy studying in 6th class in ZP High School in Gidalur PS limits, he was suddenly went missing on 7 p.m. on 22nd of January. Then after that police ki information vachindi. First family members tried to search for the boy. They were not able to find. Dan tarvata police ki approach ayaru, and immediately police also started an intensive search along with the local villagers of this village. 2 days varaku prati roju morning nunchi evening varaku this search process was going on, and then after 3 days the body of the boy was found in one ground well. Akada it was discovered that he had been murdered. The boy oka pedda stone tie chesi boy చెస్ట్ లో టై చేసి బాయ్కి డ్రౌనింగ్ చేయడం ట్రై చేశారు. దాని తర్వాత పోస్ట్మార్టం రిపోర్ట్ వచ్చింది, and we started to attempt to detect this case ki this type of horrifying crime ఎవరు చేశారు ఒక 12-year-old boy ki. So we have formed special teams, even additional SP rank officer అక్కడ scene of crime వెళ్ళారు to detect this case. So this was initially there were no clues because there was no motive ki who might have done this type of crime. But every day from morning to evening we were working on this case. When was the boy last seen, ekkada velochu, em cheyochu, and during this process we were able to identify one suspicious person who lives nearby to this boy's house, who was behaving very suspiciously. He was not coming out from the house. He was trying to observe the movements of police, and many times he would just go away from the village. Dan tarvata he became so panicked by the police investigation that he was afraid that we will be picking him up soon, detecting this case soon. He got so panicked that he has gone and taken one new SIM card. అక్కడ కొత్త సిమ్ తీసుకుని థింకింగ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ప్రూఫ్లెస్ సిమ్, we will not be able to identify that he has done this crime. He has messaged one relative of the boy and asked for some money. From that we got a very solid evidence that he has done the crime. We have traced the number, we have located the number. First the SIM card was registered on somebody else's name. అక్కడ అన్ని ఇన్వెస్టిగేట్ చేసి ఫుల్ నైట్ కూర్చొని we were able to identify the accused, and then after that he has confessed this crime that he has done, and ultimately it was found that this person, this accused, he is having some some sexual desires which are of not the proper kind. He is indulging in seeing of pornographic videos regularly, and he has attempted to have sexual relations with this 12-year-old boy. So our boy ki akada isolated place that night he has taken along with him, and then he tried to establish sexual relations with the boy. The boy rejected it, and because of that the accused, he has strangulated the boy and killed him, and then later tried to dispose the body by throwing that body by tying to stone in the water body. So this was the motive for the crime. It is a sexual crime, and which is why POCSO Act cases, sections and section 377 IPC were also added in this case, and then the investigation has been taken up by DSP rank officer. ఇది ఒక quite horrifying type of crime ఉంది ఇది, which was committed by this perpetrator, and but thankfully due to our good efforts, our consistent efforts, that ever since the boy went missing, we have been looking for that boy, and later body discover ayin tarvata we have been working very hard to detect this case. So because of that, within short time, Prakasam District Police was able to detect this crime, and we have arrested the accused, and he will be sent to jail today, and we will ensure that the trial is completed in a speedy manner, so that this person gets maximum possible punishment for this horrifying type of crime which he has committed. And I want to appreciate the work done by our Markapur subdivision police officers along with our OSD Markapur, who have worked very hard to detect this case. Thank you. Flagship program of our state government, our honorable CM Chala Alochinchi, he sir has brought out this Disha initiatives of different types. For example, setting up of Disha police stations, setting up of women help desks, and also bringing out of this revolutionary app which you know about. It is called Disha app, where it is an SOS emergency service app, where any woman anywhere, if she is having any sort of distress, she can press the SOS button, and immediately an alert will go to the concerned control room, both at state level and district level. అక్కడ ప్లస్ ఒక షార్ట్ ఆడియో వీడియో రికార్డింగ్ కూడా ఆటోమేటిక్లీ జరుగుతుంది, సో దట్ వీ కెన్ కలెక్ట్ get the information about what is going on at that time. So it is because of this app, police has responded to so many women in different type of distresses in Prakasam district and throughout the state, and big incidents which could have had a big impact on the life of any woman or girl have been prevented because of quick response of police department. So it is a very important app which every woman in our state should have on her phone. So ఇది download process కొంచెం speed up చేయడానికి, to ensure our goal which our honorable CM has of 1 crore downloads and registrations, అది reach అవ్వడానికి we are starting one new initiative in Prakasam district, where what we are going to do is ప్రతిరోజు కొత్త registrations చూస్తున్నాము మేము. We will be looking at, for example, how many registrations have occurred today. Out of that, we will have a lucky draw. So today we will be choosing 3 winners. So Prakasam district resident women, whoever do registration today, we will be selecting 3 winners randomly by a lucky draw process, and every day we will be declaring 3 winners based on the previous day registration, to encourage the women of Prakasam district to download this app. And then at the end of the week, we will be calling them to the SP office, and we will be having conversation about women issues. So from throughout the district, women will be coming to SP office and telling about the different issues they are facing, or other women in their locality are facing, and how police department can take further initiatives to improve women's safety in Prakasam district. So until Women's Day, which is coming on March 8th, we will be taking up this program throughout February to maximize Disha downloads and make police more and more responsive towards women issues. And you also know that Mahila police is also there in every village. Mahila police kuda download cheyadaniki ప్రతిరోజు they are trying to reach out to as many women as possible. Every week we will also be seeing which Mahila police has gotten maximum downloads done that week, and every week one Mahila police will also be honored. So this initiative we will be taking up to improve our Disha downloads. I request each and every woman, girl, and all the other family members also to make sure every person has Disha app downloaded in their phones. It is an extremely life-saving app, that avsaram appudu unte it can mean even difference between life and death for a particular person. So I request everyone, please download this app and also participate in this Prakasam district initiative of getting maximizing the number of Disha downloads. Thank you.